Alright, so in the do now for today, we need to factor the following. Let's look at the first one. It's x squared minus 6x plus 9. So we need to find two numbers that will multiply to 9 but add to negative 6. Those numbers are negative 3 and negative 3. So the factored form is x minus 3 times x minus 3. You can also write it as x minus 3 squared. For the second one, we have x cubed plus x squared minus 2x. So we can factor out a greatest common factor of x, which will leave us x squared plus x minus 2. So now I can factor this part of my polynomial. So two numbers that will multiply to negative 2 but add to 1. So my factors would be 2 and negative 1. So my factored form is x plus 2, and x minus 1.